Hi! In front of me is Honor, Magic, for the Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner on this Honor. You need to begin by opening device's settings. Now scroll down and click on Apps. Then you need to click on App Twin and tap on the switcher next to an app that you want to clone, in my case Facebook. Wait a couple of seconds and choose Home button. Now when I look for my Facebook app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!